World Water Monitoring Day, celebrated on September 18th, was established in 2003 and it aims to build public awareness and involvement in protecting water resources around the world by empowering citizens to carry out basic monitoring of their local water bodies. According to the Environmental Campaign Organization WWF, pollution from toxic materials threatens life on this planet. Every ocean and every continent from tropics to polar region is contaminated. The Safe Drinking Water Act authorizes Environmental Protection Agency to issue two type standards to recognize substances that potentially affect human health and to prescribe aesthetic qualities that affect taste, odor or appearance of water. Water quality refers to the chemical, physical and biological characteristics of water. I gave guidance to our school children for a project work on the topic quality analysis of different water samples and study on azolla, brahmi and aquatic arrowroot which act as wonderful natural water purifiers. We analyzed different water samples available in our Pukotu Panchayat where the school is located and we have given emphasis to quality analysis. The 5 team members were Lakshmi, Karthik, Anashwara, Aishwarya and Amok. Our children collected different water samples from river, pond, well, tap water, etc. Water pollution due to organic waste is measured in terms of biological oxygen demand. They calculated BOD of different water samples and observations are tabulated. They also did pH test. The values were noted. Problems and solutions of acidic and alkaline water were discussed. A lot of other parameters, namely alkalinity, chlorinity, amount of dissolved oxygen, etc. were also studied. We visited Integrated Rural Technology Center IRTC Mundur and children received a lot of information from Professor Mustafa sir. We bought azolla from there and cultivated it in our school. Then experimented with it also. Another experimental material was brahmi, Bacopa monire. We planted it in our panchayat well water and the water sample after 1 month tested. Also planted it in school lab. Then the test result shows tremendous changes in BOD value. They compared the results, observations noticed and the data were interpreted. Then one another plant, namely Legionanthera toxicaria, it is a type of aquatic arrowroot and the plant has almost disappeared from our villages. It is having wonderful such water purifying activity. Our experiments with this plant proves the BOD of water in which this plant sprouted well shows tremendously decreased BOD value. As a part of our project, we visited water treatment plant located nearby and here the river water is purified. The plant operator explained about the structure of filter bed, then the turbidity, pH test, etc. and the clarification process, the whole chlorination process explained well by him. The backwash process, then water testing using flocculator, jar test, etc. wonderfully explained by him. The alum lime addition. We all are very happy as we came to know that this is the way how the water reaches our home after the treatment. It was such an enjoyable experience for each one of us. We planted azolla in our nearby pond and which is only walkable distance from our school. We frequently visited the pond and observed its growth. After 1 month collected the water sample and tested for BOD. We also gave water samples for coliform bacteria test in IRTC. So the comparative study proves that this Legionanthera toxicaria is an excellent natural water purifier. This is the Kerala Forest Research Institute located at Peachy where Children's Science Congress held during 2017 and our children also discussed water issues of our district Palakkad and they prepared as well as presented the project report in the National Children's Science Congress held at Peachy state level competition. They presented in a beautiful manner and it was a great achievement. They have also presented the project paper for Children's Biodiversity Congress, which was held at our state capital, Trivandrum VJT Hall. And they nicely presented and they received prizes for those from Honorable Minister. It was a memorable moment for me in my career to receive blessings from my guru, Professor Dr. Umman Sir, on that occasion. One another happy moment is that I presented that project for state level teachers project competition also. A drop of water is more worth than a sack of gold. It is often said that water has no enemy. This emphasizes the importance of water to living organisms. Experts say that India is going to become water stressed by 2025 and water scarced by 2050. So let us conserve these pivotal natural resources. Hope it was informative to you. Please share the video. Thank you all for watching.